pretty sweet, a little dirty. But it has this issue. And putting a new mirror on here. I'm going to pull this glass first. Here's the replacement from GM Supply Extra Supplies. And there it goes. I just used my body panel tool there to pop it off of these clips. You just kind of pull these back, get underneath it. Easy peasy, comes right out. This is warmer, I believe. Warms the glass. Move my electrician pliers. Here's why I bought these, because I was missing some. So filling out my most used metric sockets for the impact. Mobile mechanic right here at the Rite Aid Pharmacy. Sweet car. Typical GM. Got the pop it out there. Looks like this. Hey, look at that. Don't even need my body panel tool. It screws out. And this one back here. So yeah, I just popped it out on this corner here. Reveal that guy there. It's like an 8 mil, 7 millimeters is next. Need 2 hands. There's that one. Come on, there it is. By the way, while I'm here, and if this is helpful or valuable information, please hit the like button. It's super helpful. It's incredibly important for what we do. Helps other people see the video and not have to give so much money to the Chevy dealership. Right? All right, hopefully this camera angle works. Use this one. Pull that back. Clips on the door here. This comes up a little. All right, and so here we go. Not really clipped, just clipped on this end. This one doesn't have the fancy clips like some of the newer ones do. Get a shot of this. Just that tab there. This whole thing comes out. Those guys there. Holds it on to the end. And then this guy. Push it down. So yeah, just like that. Slides out there. Your 2 hands, pigtails need to come out. Get this door panel off. Yeah. Those pop out. And now, reaching the back, where the bolts are, it's behind this guy. Gooey. And right in there is our bolts. Looks like this thing had to come out. It's like a sticker. It's like a sticker it's stuck on there. Oh man. Looks like we will also have to remove this speaker because behind it is the pigtail for the And now I shall proceed to pull the 3 bolts that hold the mirror on. 10 mil. Interesting. Broken. Oh yeah. It's stuck inside there. Look at that. All right. This guy's had this dangling against his car for a while. So here's the pigtail. That one out. Dig this one out. There it goes. Disconnect it there. Can he do it with one hand? Yes. I've done this before. All right, here we go. Easy peasy. There's a hole. Probably should clean this up. If I had something to clean it up with. Dang, I need some cleaning products while I do this stuff. Found this under the seat. Sanitizing wipes. I don't know. I found for my glasses. Hey, look at that. This should work. Hey, look at that. Not bad, right? Not bad for glasses cleaner. Speaking of cleaning lenses, might as well clean that glass too. You gotta reinstall window clips. Reinstall window clips. Oh yeah. Nice. Hey, let's see if I can do this part with one hand. Get my fingerprints all over it. Probably not. But seriously, folks, to demonstrate, just goes right in there. Clips line up with those pins, and it just pops in. And boom, with a click and a pop, it is installed. Look at that. Still got one more bolt to remove because that one was stuck in there. I got these from my handy dandy Pittsburgh licensed tool supplier. This video is brought to you by Pittsburgh Tools. I shouldn't say that. Probably get flagged or something. Algorithms will track that. It's not really, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, YouTube. So I made it funny. You get it? Licensed Pittsburgh dealer. All right. This guy's at work too, by the way, so he's not in a big hurry. He'll be here till 11 o'clock tonight, so yeah, here's the stud. Easy peasy. So yes, these are all the things you have to do to get a mirror out of a 2018 Camaro. Pull the door panel off, pull the speaker, and yeah, no problem. The guy's like, how long is this gonna take? I said, a couple hours. You know, it takes a minute. So when installing the new mirror, what I like to do is use my 10 mil like this. I'm gonna put it on the easiest one to reach and just to thread it. Get it hanging on the door there. And yes, you want the window up because you're gonna have to pull this pigtail through. One-handed. Pigtail goes through the hole. Okay, so before I put the rest of the screws in, I'll fish this through the little pigtail through the hole here, pop it in place. Usually use your finger to pop it in place, just like that. And here you go. So now I can put my nuts on. Resealable stickum. How tight? Impact tight. That's good enough. It's not rock. All right, I got one go at this. Yes, I recommend using this. You know, don't do what I do. I use this every day. Okay, I know how the torque works on this, but yeah, you can easily reach this with a socket. And an extension. There it is. There it is. Good amount of torque on it. All right, let's get it tight. Not crazy tight. And just to keep the wind from coming through, there was a reason this was covered. So, piece of duct tape. Good old duct tape. Brought to you by Silver Duct Tape. Don't forget to close this up. Pop these ones together. Put it in its rightful place. Oops, like that. Come on. That. Goes right there like that. And then speaker goes back, just kind of slides in there like that. It's got some cushion on it to keep it from vibrating too much. So yes, while pulling these out, each clip, you can see that, you need to pop these. Just wondering why it wouldn't go in there, I guess. And that clip came out. It's right here. Each clip goes in here like this. You happen to tear them out like I did. After you got your clips in place, slide this guy back in here, tuck it in. So yeah, it's got my push pins popped in, clips in. Some of these were missing. There was another cowboy in here. I looked all over. I didn't drop any. So this is what we're dealing with. Clips. It's just a weird design. But what do you do? Got this push pin, these clips, like that. That's how it should look. So now, everything wired up, pigtails all plugged in. I moved this guy from down here because this one was pretty beat up right there. So this one's gonna be, should hold a little better. This, flip it over, now it's hard to see. Get another better angle. Line that one up, line each pin. Place. Rusty's got one black one and one white one. What do you do about that? Come on. And everything's lining up much better now. Look at that. Beautiful. Popped into place and now. So yes, before you. Sounds like Camaro. Yeah, before I screw it all together, I like to make sure everything's working properly. All your window switch works. So yeah, you got it works. Good. Put all our screws back in place. Button her all up. Magnetic. This isn't magnetic. This is, yeah, this is how I'm gonna have to do it. I can't reach back there. This thing has been through the ringer. Stop. Rusty's got one black one and one white one. What do you do about that? I'm glad you asked, and there's a link in the description. These are like carbon fiber. They snap right onto your current mirrors. They look awesome. There's even another kit over here. It's a little more expensive, but it snaps onto your door handles where you open and shut the door. And those are also carbon fiber. You're looking to match the rear view mirrors, which is kind of cool. I like it. And it's protection too, because if you scrape anything, and again, these mirrors don't give, I recommend them. So link in the description. Yes, I get a commission for anything you buy on my channel, and you're welcome. I like working on the Camaro. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!